Good morning, everyone. So today I thought I would do a vlog that I really enjoy watching. So basically, I will take you with me for this weekend because today is Saturday morning and it's actually a bank holiday weekend. So yeah, I will take you with me because I need to get back into my routine. I need to sort my life together because I've just come back from quite a long trip because I've been in Italy, in my hometown, for almost 3 full weeks, and so I need to again get back into my routine, get some food because my fridge is actually empty. And so yeah, we'll take you with me. Hey, so update, I've come back from Tesco, you've seen my shopping, and I'm so happy that I got fruit and veg and also some vegan goodies that I miss so much when I'm not here. So now the other thing that we gotta do is unpack. So this is my suitcase and now it's empty. And then here I have my laundry basket. Fun. In you go. Okay, so I've had lunch. I had some good pasta and now I'm ready to go out. I'm on my bike, as you can see. And there is that goes from Guildford to Godalming, which is like a city really close to Guildford. And I really want to do that, but the thing is, I don't know where it starts from. And so I will just go and explore and hopefully I'll find it. So wish me luck. I think we found it. It already looks really nice. So that's the path that I need to do. There are sheep around here. I wasn't expecting that. Like, look at this beauty. Hi. Okay, this place is amazing. I've arrived in Godalming and I'm just at a park. It's next to the river. And I don't know, this place is so weird as well because there are random like cows 5 minutes from the town center just chilling there by the river. It's insane. And yeah, now I'm in this park. I'll have some food because I'm actually starving. But yeah, it's so sunny. I'm so shiny from the sunscreen, from the sweat, from everything. But it's such a good day and yeah, I'm having fun. Have some raspberries here. They're so good. And then a book, my bike. And yeah, it's like I took myself on a little date. I'm back in Guildford. Now I just need to go home and it was amazing. The cycle path is gorgeous. Like, you just cycle along the canal Well, it's a river actually, along the river, and it's amazing. And yeah, when I was in Godalming, I just got some iced latte and a muffin because I was starving. And yeah, the city is nice. It's quite small, but it's really, really nice. So yeah, now I'm back. And yeah, I am so happy about this. I think a mountain bike would have been better because my bike is well, not struggling, but you know, a mountain bike would have definitely been better. But this is such a nice place, and I think I'll come back for sure. It's also really nice because you actually go into the countryside, like you meet animals and wildlife, and you don't hear the noise from the city, like the traffic. I hope you're not gonna be able to hear it now, but yeah, it's been amazing. Yeah, it was amazing, and now I'll just go back home. Good morning, it's the next day, and as you can see, it's not as sunny as yesterday, but this morning I'm going to town right now because I need to get some stuff that I forgot yesterday, and then I will also do some other stuff, like I need to reply to some emails and book my fitness classes for the week. So yeah, I'll do more of those later on in the day. And yeah, for now I'm just going to town. Okay, so I'm now on Notion because as the month comes to an end, I do this monthly review there, and I got a template from Jade. I'm gonna link it in the description, and then I just modified it to match what I needed and what I wanted to journal on. And so I'll show you what it looks like in a bit. And yeah, I will just be doing that, and then some other stuff that I'll show you later. Okay, so it looks like this, and there are the different months, and I just like to put like a collage with some pictures from the month, and then talk about what I did and my reflections and what I want to improve, what I'm grateful for. So yeah. Okay, so this is the April one, and I just put some pictures from my time in Italy, and I'm just writing some stuff about it. Oh, they look so cute. I also have a big announcement to make. I'm so excited about this. So basically, let me show you. I booked a class, a hip hop choreography class for next Sunday in London. And I'm so excited about it because I love to dance. It just makes me feel good, it makes me feel free. And yeah, I just love to move my body in that way, but I've never actually done it. Like, I've always done it, you know, for fun with friends, or you know, I dance in clubs and I do Zumba. So I've never actually done choreography, like the routine or whatever. So I'm super excited, and the fact that it's in London, it's in Covent Garden, oh my gosh, like it sounds exciting, and I can't wait for it. I might also bring you along that day, but yeah, wow, I can't wait. Hi, so I'm in Winchester right now, and I've just visited the Great Hall, where there is the round table of King Arthur and his knights. And yeah, I'm just exploring the town now. I've never been here, but my housemate recommended it to me, so I thought, why not? Because it's only like 1 hour away from Guildford, and yeah, so I'm just exploring this part of the town, and then from what I understood, the town center is the opposite way, so I'll visit this like historic part of the town, go to the cathedral, and then I'll go to the town center. definitely not expecting this. Like, I was just doing some stairs, and I thought they would take me to like a viewpoint of the city, of the cathedral, and instead I'm in this place. There's a huge fountain there. I don't even know what this place is, but yeah, let's go. Cute flowers everywhere. Honestly, I'm loving this. And there was just like, this is just a normal garden, and there is parking. Still don't know where I am, but oh my gosh, it's so nice. What is there? Let's see. Can you hear the birds? I think you can. Okay, so I don't actually know what this is, but it looks nice, and now there is a path. It's the St. James Lane. I'll show you. It looks magical, so we're obviously going there. I mean, this is the entrance, so yeah, we're obviously going here. And of course, the only thing left to do was chill in a park, because that's what I do everywhere I go. So yeah, I'm in the Cathedrals Park right now, and I'm just chilling, enjoying the breeze. And I'm actually eating tortillas with guac. So good. You can never go wrong with some tortillas and guac. And yeah, you're sorted. Okay, so now I'm surrounded by pigeons. So now I wanna talk about something that is very close to my heart, and I feel like it's very important that I mention it here. So you might have noticed in this vlog that I am doing things by myself, exploring, going places, and I am alone. And I wanted to talk about this because, again, it's very important to me, and I think it should be talked about more. So yeah, my message to all of you is just do whatever you want to do. Go and visit that city, go solo traveling, because it's gonna change your life, honestly. And just start with taking yourself on a date, going to your favorite coffee shop by yourself, just doing things by yourself whenever your friends can't come with you, or even, I hope you can still hear me, or even when you just want some alone time, because it's gonna be amazing and you're not gonna regret this. You're not gonna basically wish for anyone else to be there. I feel like I'm just rambling at this point, but I really wanted to tell you guys how I feel. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you that it's okay to travel by yourself, to go places by yourself, to even go to the movies if you want by yourself. You can do that, and I promise you it's not any less beautiful than going with someone, going with friends, because you will build a relationship with yourself that it's actually the most important one that you need to have in your life. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, but I feel like I'm just rambling and people are staring at me. But it's okay, it's okay, it's fine. Now we'll continue to eat my tortillas and then head back. I wish you an amazing day, and I hope that you might feel inspired to go somewhere alone, maybe to solo travel, or just start with going to a coffee shop by yourself and getting your favorite drink. Let me know how it goes.